just began.
Our interests we move ahead. Educate to liberate is our goal. Naga Public School, our guiding light. God's wisdom is our greatest wealth. From near and far we gather here to learn and grow year after year. Strength the vision of MPS light. MPS our guiding star so bright. With integrity will shine our light. Education, the key to all. MPS mission, we hit the goal. Our purpose clear in all we do. Our mission for God's glory. Ambassador of MPS will be. With grace we venture far and wide. Empowering minds will be our best. Striving for excellence in all. Our global educational hub. For God's glory serving great. Excellent with integrity. Our guiding principles raised. MPS our mission strong and true. Generous in prosperity. And one for strangers far and near.
School, send this.